Field is the oldest used car dealer in the San Fernando Valley. We offer good prices and excellent customer service. Call us directly and ask about our inventory, 818-892-8689, or you can visit our website at www.elmerfieldautos.com. We specialize in bad and new credit, even if you have a bankruptcy. Elmer Field specializes in BK Auto Loans, since 19. Drive in style this pre-owned 2007 Toyota Camry SE V6. This 4-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 141,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments.
Elmer Field is the oldest used car dealer in the valley. We offer good prices, excellent customer service. Call Elmer Field directly and ask about our internet specials, 818-892-8689. We specialize in bad and new credit. Even if you have a bankruptcy, Elmer Field has specialized in BK Auto Loans since 1972. We can get you in a used car, truck, or SUV today, with as little as $500 down.